Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited on Thursday commercially launched BSNL Bharat Air Fiber high-speed broadband services in Shillong City. Bharat Air Fiber high-speed broadband services are being provided in partnership with MS William Nangpui Communications. Bharat Air Fiber services are primarily intended to cover the non-feasible areas of FTTH services and rural areas where optical fiber is not available. Bharat Air Fiber services will be commenced progressively in 19 locations of Meghalaya during this year. This year, BSNL Meghalaya is planning to provide 7,500 FTTH Bharat Air Fiber BB connection.
Of the BSNL Formation Day, we are hearing very good news from NU1 Circle from your CG. I am really appreciating all of you. The efforts of NU1 Circle BSNL people are fantastic in Northeast area. Congratulations to all of you. So we have been doing many firsts in Northeast area. Either it is 3G.
For providing faster connections, we wanted optical fiber. We were not able to get. No transporter was, because transportation of only essential items was being allowed at that time. Anyway, now we are getting some more material, fortunately. See, this service is called Bharat Air Fiber. This is done first time by only BSNL in the country. You know, we are having copper cable, then optical fiber cable. Whenever somebody wants a connection, we either provide on copper or fiber. But new areas, to lay fiber or to lay copper takes a lot of time. So if somebody wants, like for example, when we have this air fiber, suppose Nalchumir area, on top of the hill somebody wants a connection. We can provide in a day. Just one antenna we have to keep on top of our building and one more on his rooftop. In a day we can provide the connection. There is no need to lay optical fiber, which is again prone to so much disturbance and all. People can, people cut it, or when tree branches fall, it gets cut. With the Bharat Air Fiber, we can provide connection very fast. At the same time, maintenance also is very good. It can be very reliable. It will be reliable because we can provide very fast. All the users know, even if fiber is not there in that area, we can provide using this Bharat Air Fiber. We are calling it air fiber because we are giving high bandwidth through RF link. Normally high bandwidth is possible only with optical fiber. But with this equipment we are able to give high bandwidth, even 8 Mbps, 10 Mbps, more than that also. Including rural areas also. Now we are partnering with our franchise, like Mr. Williams is there. In each district we are having so many partners. So basically we give an opportunity to them also to provide the connections, and then they will get some revenue share.